Yo, great. So welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video, I'm going to show you an update of free funded account, which is $5,000. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can get 5K account for free without doing any much work. You just require to follow some simple steps in order to do that. So if you're first time watching video on this channel, remember I'm Figo from Forex Talent. I used to update every person on YouTube about no deposit bonus pre-funded account. So if you're interested and you came across my channel today, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I put the link under the video description. That is where you will get a quick update about the accounts that I don't have time to record video on. Those ones I used to post the links there, and every link of any account that I'm reviewing or updating you on, the link is in the Telegram channel. You will not find a link under the video description. You will only find the Telegram link under the video description and my recommended brokers that you can use to trade. Okay, so if that interests you, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel now. Let's move on. So quickly, I'll take you to my Discord server where the announcement was made publicly available for you to also go and do research on before you engage with them. So I recommend you do your own research before you engage with them. Okay, so this is GlobalX Academy. It's a program that is giving away 20 times 5K account for you to perform a simple task to enter this giveaway. And only 20 people are going to be selected, so just try your luck on this. This video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. It's not a guarantee that you are going to get an account. And remember, this account is a demo account. It's not a real fund. Okay, it's a demo account or simulated capital that you can trade on in order to get reward. So this was the announcement. So they are saying Christmas giveaway detail, 20 winners. Okay, each winner will receive 5,000 Blue Guardian account, total value 1 million. Oh, okay, yes, 1 million. Good. So 20 people are going to receive 5K account, and from Blue Guardian, it's Blue Guardian that is giving account, and GlobalX Academy is a server that used to host giveaway for program. So giveaway timeline, this is from starting from December 20th to 25th of December 2025. So if you are watching this video after December 25th, 2025, remember this video has expired, or this promotion or giveaway has expired. Take note of that. Now let's go to how you can participate or how can you join this. Okay, good. So first you have to open a giveaway ticket and at the support, and then after submitting your ticket you will receive a step-by-step instruction. But now this is no more working, so let's go down for the new update that they have right here. So this was the new update or the new step that you have to go through. So this steps is, here is update regarding the giveaway. For new giveaway participants, creating a support ticket is no longer required. To participate, simply leave us an honest review on Trustpilot. Second, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then third, once completed, then return to this thread channel. Okay, so this is a thread channel. Christmas giveaway, here is it. So you click on it. So I'll put the Discord server in my Telegram channel. So have access to it, just go down to my video description or this video description and join the Telegram channel to have access to the link directly. So this is it. And spend proof. Okay, so you send a proof. So when you leave honest review, take a screenshot. When you subscribe to their YouTube channel, take a screenshot. Okay, so I will provide, or the link is available below here. This is the link to their Trustpilot, and this is the link to their YouTube. Both of them are here. You take screenshot of them and return to this post and click on Christmas giveaway, and then post your screenshots there as a proof. Okay, and you are done. You have entered the giveaway. It's very simple like that. People don't see this as legit, or I don't know how to say it, but it's working. Don't be hesitating on doing all this. Just forget about the laziness. Do the work and win account for yourself. Okay, people are getting accounts from my update every single day. Why not you? Remember, I drop video on this channel every single day. So if this update does not fit your style, you can just wait on the channel for more updates. Surely, one will fit your style and you also get an account for yourself for free. Without wasting time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on notification. That is the only way when I upload video onto the channel, you get notified. Goodbye.